Good morning, folks. Happy Wednesday. We're at the midpoint of the week. We're seeing a continuation of this trend over the past couple of days with the stock market continuing to drift its way higher. Markets are higher yet again this morning. As a recap of yesterday, we saw the Dow Jones up over 1%. S&P was up just shy of 1%, and the Nadex was up over 1% as well. So again, a lot of green on the screen yesterday, seeing a continuation of that trend this morning, seeing the futures trade higher into the morning session. Right now, with Dow Jones, we're up 200 points, S&Ps are up 40, just shy of a 1% move, and the Nasdaq up another 1% in the pre-market. Now, it's going to be very light on the economic data front, no real risk catalyst economic data-wise. We do have some more earnings out, and really it's been earnings the past couple of days that continue to drive these markets higher. All traders, virtually everyone, looking toward that consumer price index number, that key inflation data that comes out tomorrow morning. So we could see some lighter volumes today. We could see a bit of a holding pattern as we head into that event tomorrow morning. Now, you look over at FX, we're seeing with this risk on, seeing people pile back into the markets. We're seeing a bit of weakness this morning in the dollar, notably the euro driving higher, as well as that pound dollar driving higher. Oil's been very quiet this morning, trading right at $90 a barrel, so very little movement in that market. All right, folks, another day, Wednesday, middle of the week. Let's trade it up. Let's have a good one. Let's get ready for that CPI data tomorrow, and hopefully we'll get a little bit of volatility to finish out the week. So hope everybody has a great day. Let's get in there, trade some price action. I'll see you folks again